How to use Scoreboard in Subway Surfer. In this video, I will show you how to use Scoreboard to track your progress and see how you stack up against other players. Let's dive in. Open your Subway Surfer application. First, you have to be on the main menu on the Subway Surfer. Here you will see the scoreboard icon, which usually looks like a trophy or a medal. Tap on the scoreboard icon to see your highest score and rank. You can check your overall progress and compare your content score with your previous best run. If you are connected to Facebook or Google Pay, you can also see how you compare to your friend's score and check out the global leadership for an extra challenge. And that's how you use the scoreboard in Subway Surfer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have questions or suggestions for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.